Hello students, welcome to Manjula classes. Program is BCom 6th semester. Subject is methods and techniques of costing. So today's chapter marginal costing. So in marginal costing we are discussing about the topics are introduction, meaning and limitation of marginal costing. So let's start the session. First, we'll discuss the what is marginal costing. So, in the marginal cost is the change in total cost by producing one more unit of a product. So, it means here you know already in the element of costing we are discussed the what is the meaning of the total cost. Okay. So, here number of units example will take number of units 100 units were manufactured. So, total cost it will come that is example 1 lakh. Okay, in case we are producing one more extra unit, that is one unit we are producing. So now total cost, what happened, total cost, so total cost also it's a changed, total cost is changed means one unit extra we are producing here. So total cost value example 1 lakh 150 rupees is the total cost. Number of units is 101 units we are manufacturing. Okay, so it is called marginal cost. So marginal cost is changing total cost by producing one more extra unit. So we are producing one more unit, so that time the total cost is changed. Okay, in other words we can say the marginal cost of producing one more unit is called marginal cost. Okay, so this 100 units is normal cost. In case we are producing extra unit, that extra is called marginal cost. See, I'll give one more example here. So I'll take a small amount. One sec. Yeah, here 100 units we are manufacturing. So for 100 units total cost, it's a charge, it's charge 10,000. Okay, 10,000. So additional one unit we are manufacturing. Now total cost is 10,100. Okay, so here differences is 100. This 100 rupees is the marginal cost value. Okay, got my point? This 100 rupees is the marginal cost value. So this total number of units is 101. The one unit, this one unit, that differences is 100. 100 is marginal cost. So come to the equations of marginal cost. Marginal cost is equal to change the cost means change the cost means change the total cost divided by change in the quantity. So it's a marginal cost. Here I'll write here marginal cost, it's change the total cost divided by change the quantity. Quantity is nothing but that is the number of units. Okay, so we can find out the marginal cost. One more marginal cost equation is prime cost plus total variable overhead. So here just recall the element of costing. In element of costing, what you are doing? So first, direct material, direct labor, direct expenses, you will get the prime cost, right? So next, you are adding the factory overhead, so administration overhead, selling overhead. But here only we are adding the variable overhead. So we are not consider the fixed overheads. We are not taking here because marginal cost is based on the variable means this is the fluctuations. Okay, so here prime cost plus variable overhead, so we'll get marginal cost. Is it clear to all? So what is the meaning of marginal cost? Marginal cost is a change in total cost by producing one more unit, one more extra unit of the product is called the marginal cost. Okay, so next I'm moving. absorption costing versus marginal costing. What is this absorption cost and marginal cost? So these are very important. Okay, I'll check one by one. See the first one, absorption cost, that is AC. AC means absorption cost. This absorption cost is administration, selling overhead and distribution expenses comes under the absorption cost. In marginal cost, it's only including fixed cost and variable cost. Okay, it's only including variable and fixed cost. Why they are considering fixed cost also? Actually variable cost, marginal cost is including only variable cost, because in here fixed cost they are telling. So see the one diagram here. This is the diagram, this is the quantity, this is the sales here. So this is the fixed cost. Okay, so this is the year, it's start from year. This is the total cost. So this column is, this area is variable cost. I'll write once again, I'll repeat once again. Okay, yeah, see here, this is the diagram, this is the quantity, this is the sales. So this is the total, sorry, fixed cost. This is fixed cost, it is the total cost. So this area means year to year total cost between fixed cost. This area is called the variable cost. Okay, that is variable cost. So where is variable cost? It is between the total cost and fixed cost. So that's why so this variable cost means the marginal cost is including fixed cost. See, after the, where is variable cost? This area is variable cost, right? So not from year, it is from year. Okay, so that's why this is the including fixed cost and so variable cost, marginal cost. So next, second differences is absorption costing is focused on the production, but marginal cost is focused on the selling and price. So this is based on production, this is so sales and price. Third differences is absorption costing suitable for long term, this marginal costing suitable for short term. So next, fourth one, absorption cost is stock value at total cost, but marginal cost stock only value at variable cost. So total cost means total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. So total cost including fixed and variable. Okay, so that's why absorption cost is when we are calculating the value of the stock, it's based on the total cost. But marginal cost, so it's only the based on the variable cost. This one, variable cost, marginal cost. Okay, is it clear? So absorption cost is administration, selling and distribution overheads expenses including here. But in marginal costing only only including fixed cost and variable cost. Absorption cost only production. So marginal cost it is selling and price focusing here. So absorption cost is suitable for long term, this marginal is short term. So absorption is stock valued at total cost, marginal cost only variable cost. So this is the differences of the absorption costing and marginal costing. Okay, so I hope you can understand the meaning of the marginal cost and differences of the absorption and marginal cost. So next session, so we are continuing the next topics. Okay, thank you.